This video is intended as a supplement to your employer's specific forklift training and workplace safety policies and procedures, and the information contained in your forklift's operator and owner's manual. Forklifts are incredible machines that do many good things. In many ways, they are like our circulatory system in our body. They carry raw materials around the facility, load and unload matter, store products for later use, take out the trash, and need to be maintained. Most of the time, forklifts help us do many useful things, but sometimes they can harm people or property. For example, Anna and Kumar have been working together for over 5 years. Anna as an inventory control manager, and Kumar as a forklift operator. The shift was over. Anna was not paying much attention. Kumar could save time if he just drove forward, even though he could not see around a large load. In a split second, Anna's life was changed. So was Kumar's life. Regret. If only he did not rush and cut corners. Anna now faces months of rehabilitation, always thinking if she had just paid attention. Anna gets a second chance. Anna now pays attention to her surroundings. She wears high-visibility clothing. She makes eye contact before crossing. Kumar does not take shortcuts. He realizes that one detour in safety can cause unbearable grief. Between 2011 and 2019, there were over 65,000 powered industrial equipment injuries in the United States, the feet and hands being the biggest injury area. 40% of those involved in non-fatal accidents did not return to work for over 30 days. Over that time, on average, 70 deaths occurred each year. Most of these accidents occurred within transportation and material moving industries. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health released a study that showed up to 70% of all operator errors can be prevented with proper training and stringent policies. So let's get started.